What is it taking you so long to pull over, man?
I didn't mean. Is that you again?
You again?
How's it going, man?
Put in park for me.
Okay.
Alright, how about with your license?
I don't even know what my license is, man. Please don't do this to me today, man.
Do what to you today? You took forever to pull over.
I was trying to get off the road. I was trying to get off the road.
No,
man.
you were reaching all around, digging all around. So how about with your license? I'm not asking you for nothing else.
I don't know if my license is even in here, sir.
Any 6010
My license isn't in here. My license is not in here.
Okay. Where's your license at?
I'm not sure.
Alright, hop out.
How about this?
You can leave that stuff.
I'm gonna record it, man.
You're already being recorded.
I want to record it for me.
Alright, hop out. I'm not gonna ask you again.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna record this.
Hop out. Hop out.
Yes, sir. I'm hopping out.
I'm asking you, telling you to hop out.
Hopping out. Yes, sir.
Put your hands up there for me when you
Yes,
hop
I
out.
will.
Don't grab nothing.
I'm just trying to pull my pants up.
Huh?
Trying to pull my pants up, bro.
You took forever to pull over, man.
I'm sorry, man. I'm trying to get off the
No,
road.
you already pulled off. You were already pulled over.
I swear to God, man. I'm not trying to do nothing else today. I'm trying to go home, man. I'm tired. I just found out all my stuff is gone on my property. I'm not doing nothing wrong, so I promise to God, man.
Well, you were pulled off. Okay.
I'm sorry, man.
You were already pulled off the road,
I swear to God.
and then you kept reaching around, digging around the vehicle,
I was digging around this vehicle.
Yeah, you were.
God, I wasn't, man.
and pulling off.
I'm not trying to give you any trouble.
Step
man.
out
I
of my
promise
car.
to God, man.
Step out of my car.
Man, it's like,
Step
I
back in my
promise
car.
to God, I'm not trying to give you no trouble, man. No,
Right now, you're being detained. You're not under arrest. You got me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's all good. Hang tight. I'll explain it to you in a minute. Like I said, you took forever to pull over, right? Listen to me. You're not listening to me. You got burnt tinfoil in your driver door. Huh?
I don't burn tinfoil in my driver door.
Yes, you do.
Come on, man. I swear to God, I don't, man.
Which is common with narcotics usage. Paraphernalia.
Okay.
You got this huge knife by your foot, too. You got this huge knife by your foot. Grass? This right here is burned tinfoil, bud. What you got in your shorts? Huh?
I'm not sure, man.
Spread your feet, man.
Okay.
I'm not playing this game. I got it. Spread your feet. What you got in there? Pull it out. Huh?
Yeah, I'll pull it out.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
I'll get it, man. I'll get it.
No,
for you.
I'm getting it. What is
a
it?
little box or something? It's nothing, man. Here, I'll get it.
Cigarette down. Yeah, drop the cigarette out. Shake it out of there. Can it come out? Huh?
I'll get it out of there. I don't know what you mean.
What do you mean you don't know what it... Huh? What is it?
I don't know, man. What'd you just grab?
Is this the Twilight Zone right now? No. Alright, pull it out. What is it? I'm not going to play this game with you, bud.
You know they're going to find it regardless.
Here it is, right here. This is what he had. This is what fell out of his pant leg. That's what I felt up there.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, probably fentanyl in here and then meth in there. Meth shards.
You guys good?
Yeah. We just gotta finish searching the car.